Okay, this is Reflex Boys, and I'm at my friend's house, and here his mom told him to clean up the basement, so what we're going to do is I'm going to scare him when he comes down here. So please rate, comment, subscribe if you like this.
Oh God. Okay. It's okay. We'll clean up everything. There's a why I couldn't